Here's the real proof of how much I earn. If you want to earn money online, watch this video until the end. Hello guys, I'm here to talk about how to make money online. If you want to know the secrets of succeeding online, don't skip this video because it will help you grow your income stream. This works for those across the world and it's one of the easiest ways to make money online. Since there are no affiliates to buy or no marketers to hire, you don't need any followers on social media, and you can start this right away. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money from Google search by simply creating a list of the latest trends and creating a list article from Google News. It's a great way to make money online in your free time. You can make a lot more money by copying and pasting some text from the Google website. I'm going to show you how, but first watch this video all the way through. I'm going to show you 3 more websites from Google where you can earn money, but before we start, welcome to Story Insider, where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way is to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload a new video on how to make money online. You will be updated and can start to make things happen, so please give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video. Now let's get back to the video, alright? Let's begin right here, so I could show you how you can use Google in order to get paid again and again. All of this will take less than 30 minutes. If PayPal isn't available in your country, or if you prefer not to use it, then I'll show you how to choose other payment options as well. So, if you don't want to get paid through PayPal, you can select different payment options like a bank transfer or Payoneer. Anyway, let's begin with step number 1. Open your Google browser, I mean google.com. Step number 2, you want to search for Google News. When you search for Google News, there should be a link to the first official website, news.google.com. This is a place where you can find the latest Google News and the latest Google articles on all the topics around the world. So, it's like a newspaper, where you can find everything on here, like news about politics, about business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, and history. Now, how will this make you earn money and how will you get your free PayPal money? I'm excited to watch this experiment. On the left side, you can see all the categories. Let's explore them. You have news about the world. This is about what's happening in the world right now. You have your own local news, which we will not focus on in this article. You simply want to focus on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and mostly health. You can see, for example, if I select the health category, I'll get all the latest news and articles related to health. So let's scroll the page and find something interesting on here. I'm interested in this article that was uploaded recently, and it's a really good article that a lot of people would click on. So what you need to do, open up one article, and don't worry, you will not have to write articles. And don't worry, you will not have to sell anything. This has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or digital marketing. All you have to do is find a helpful article and just copy the text from that article. For example, I will copy this right here and proceed to the next step. I will proceed to the third website that we will be using, spinbot.com. Here, you will need to paste the article that you found on Google News. Spinbot will rewrite that article for you so that it is entirely in your own words, which makes it completely unique. You will use those articles on 3 more websites that I will share with you. Some of those websites will pay you for your articles and some will pay you $1 per word. As you can see, some articles have thousands of words. Anyway, once you find the article, just paste the text in this box right here, then scroll down a little bit, then click I am not a robot, and you'll just need to click go now. It'll rewrite the entire article for you. As you can see, the context is pretty much the same, but it's using different words. It's using synonyms and rewriting it in your own words, so you can copy that and you can use the next 3 websites to get paid for those articles. The first website we will be using is eatingwell.com. On eatingwell.com, you can submit your own articles. You can write articles for this website and get paid for doing that. Now, instead of you doing all the hard work of writing those articles for days, you can simply use Google News and Spinbot to create unique and high-quality articles, and they will pay you up to $1 per word. This is the first website, and I have 2 more websites for you. On this website, you can get paid up to $1 per word, which means if you get an article with 1,000 words, that can be $1,000 just for that article, and it only took less than 30 minutes to copy and paste from Google. Now, how do you submit your articles? You can do so by scrolling down a little bit until you find the section where you can find their contact information. So you can just copy their email address, go to your email and just email them with a subject line telling submission or article submission or something along those lines, and just attach the file with your own article which you created. Once you send out that email, they will review it, and if they like it, they will ask for your payment details. You will tell them if you want to get paid through PayPal. If you want to get paid through bank transfer, just leave your bank details. The same goes for the other payment methods. Your options are endless because new articles are coming in every couple of hours on Google News. You can use those articles to rewrite them with Spinbot, paste them into a Word document, or save them to your computer and submit them to these websites. So the first site where you can submit articles is eatingwell.com. You can also submit articles on sierraclub.org. This is over at their website. In order to submit your articles on this website, you just have to follow these instructions over here. You can email them at this address here. To copy this, go to your email, fill out the contact details in the subject line, type in your article, and submit it. Now with sierraclub.org, you will not only be able to submit articles on health and fitness, like you did with eatingwell.com, but you will need to find something related to technology or science. So open up an article from the category of science, then copy its text and paste it to Spinbot. Let them rewrite it for you and submit it over to sierraclub.org's email address. The third and the last website where you can submit your articles is over at daily.jstor.org. You can go over to their submission guidelines and you can read more about how it works. This website will pay you a little bit less money, but it's still a good one to use because you can earn some additional income and maximize your results with this strategy. The great thing about this website is that they will only ask you for up to 2,000 words, and they will pay you around 31 cents per word. So it's not as high as the two previous websites, but it's still decent at 31 cents. On average, 31 cents per word is not bad at all because it adds up quickly the more articles you submit on these websites. The more articles you submit, the more money you will be able to make. Of course, not every article will be accepted, but even if you get one article per day, that's still hundreds if not up to $1,000 a day just by copy and pasting. It was all absolutely free and you don't have to wait around. You can immediately get started with this strategy. Once again, let's summarize this. You need to go over to Google. Go to Google News and select a category from the left side. Select the article you like, open it, copy its contents, use Spinbot to make it unique and submit it. You can do this again and again for an unlimited time and collect some decent amount of money. I hope you got some value out of this video, and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell and smash the like button. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next video.